have something to cut on before I go and cut the ends off. Yeah. Sorted. Right, get these cut out. Try not to have any claret. Get off. Yeah. Yeah.
Right, let's get these holes drilled. As you can see, put the sliders on, so hopefully that will glide it. Don't know if that's going to be too tight a hole. I've got these T-nuts, I think they call them T-nuts, God knows. Go in there like that. Hopefully that gives me enough clearance. Take those burrs off. Get rid of the burrs. Right, see if this fits. That's what it's got to go on. Get this right. And it's got to go on there like that. And right. See the camera work ain't that good. More T-nuts. Supposed to be T-nuts there. Right, should be able to get that in there. Move that along. That in there. Let's see if we can get these to fit. Don't like all this one-handed business. Makes me a bit slow. It takes too long to get things done. Definitely need a tripod or something. Oh, that hole's going to be tight, isn't it? That hole is going to be tight. Let me have a look. See if I can fit it through that way first. That one in there. Where are you? Where are you? Get in there. That one in there. No good at this one-handed business, guys. Right, that should go in there like that. That's supposed to fit in there like that. That one. Go on, get in there. Alright, not moving. That one in there like that. That's your turn. That's your turn. Oh, let that go. Alright, got my knobs. But I need bloody washers for them and all. Yeah, gonna need washers. Alright, well that's the gist of that, and get some washers. Right, temporary fix guys. I do not want all those damn washers in there. I think I'm gonna have to what can I do? What can I do? I'll have to cut the threads down a bit. See if I can cut the threads down a bit. But you can see what it's got to do. Slides up nicely. Yeah. That's that fixed in. Now I've just got to sort out. If I put that there, put that there. I've just got to cut this, cut that down to size, and I can try and fit that on. Right. I know it's never pretty to cut metal on a wood saw, but it is aluminium at the end of the day, and you can cut aluminium with a wood saw, so this should be fun. Let's give this a go. Well, it did it. It did it. I'll probably have to change that blade at some point, but it did it. Right, this is where I am at the moment. Just about to try and drill and tap these on there. I apologise about the flickering light on my camera. It seems to be affected by the LED lights I've got in my shed, so there's not a lot I can do about it, I don't think. I'll try and drill and tap through there if I can. Get some 6mm bolts in there, see if I can drill and tap them. Let's see what happens. Hopefully it should work out alright. Let's just get these drilled out. Fingers crossed it's in the right bloody place. But who knows? Let's get that up a bit. Right, got to drill these out for tapping. time, courtesy of a drill from work. Just tap some holes in here. Do that the old fashioned way, do it by hand. It's only alley, so it should tap all right. Keep that straight. Oh, go for it. Oh, that feels a bit tight. Oh. Next. Well guys, there it is in all its glory. Just needs a few slight tweaks and adjustments, but I'll have to sort that out later just to tidy it up a bit. Sorry about it, I didn't show you the other bits putting it together and whatever. The bloody memory card run out. I didn't realise it had, so I'll just show you it in action here. Look. There you go. Smooth as you like. No problems whatsoever. That's lovely, that is. It's a lot better than I thought it was going to be. That's how I got it attached in the end. I've still got to get some replacement bolts and whatever, but it definitely makes life easier. I'm pleased with that. That's the let me lock it up. Lovely, that's your fine adjustment. Now that's literally 1/4 of a millimetre adjustment there. That's the accuracy. Well, hope you like that video, boys. I'll try and do some more. Like I say, this really isn't my game, but I'll give it a go. Catch you later, guys.